bliss. In the quest to conquer the elements. Water, earth, and wind. Now you'll be put to the test. Your mind and body will be taken on an emotional free fall. Brace yourself. You have one vessel, one life, and one chance.
Yeah, Chaos, Painkillerz 3, Dogmatics, Sick Line, on these side breaks, catching waves of information. Paddle out in wedges and edges, yo, I'm still waiting. Double pump drill, getting vertical free wheel. Kick flips like a solemn, watch out, this kid is ill. Mental game, sick line. A long effort goes a long way, a long time, so don't mess with mine. My hand on guard, duct tape with a pin kick. Tone line with a slow cap and a back kick. The S turns are more like classics. A blunt to melt down, California road, it's a classic. Luke Skywalker, the space Godzillas. I'm fighting in the rodeo, in this wave show. I walk through the 60s, it's like Geomatrix. I played on water moves just like the Matrix. Lean back, the silent turf on my left turf. Brian McKenzie, encourage good sense, but it's worth. The rules of the game, the rules of this. Don't manage Eddie turns when these rappers are pissed. Now I'm H2O when I'm killing my attitude. The launch, the longitude, my mind is moved. The painkillers, yo, we bring it iller. Something you gotta feel her. Yo, the painkillers, the painkillers, yo, we bring it iller. Something you gotta feel her. Yo, the painkillers, the painkillers, yo, we bring it iller. Something you gotta feel her. Yo, the painkillers. That's right, the painkillers. Come on. Now you jump like Niagara in some waterfalls. While I get on my rap and my H2 on. It's the same principle, but a little different. I float on the water, float on a boat. Now here's the difference. I just break my math up on the paper. You might break yours on his and lifesavers. I float on the water, it's like lifesavers. Chaos on the track, now here's the lifesaver. Yeah. Painkillerz 3. Coming to a theater near you. Chaos. Dogmatics. Sick line. We out.
This one,